Jim Jubak, and welcome to my Pick of the Week video. This week's pick is Barrick Gold. Ticker is GOLD. Hey, cool. So there's a lot of, there are three big arguments for owning Barrick and gold in general right now. One is, hey, the financial world is kind of crazy, so flight to safety. Gold does really well when people are nervous and don't know where else to put their money and are worried about things like, well, is the dollar going to be worth anything? So that's one reason. Second is that if the Fed is indeed going to pause rates, one of the knocks on gold, one of the problems that gold has is that most physical gold doesn't pay anything, no dividends. Most gold stocks don't pay any dividends. So when interest rates are higher, gold tends to go lower because, hey, put your money in gold, get nothing, put your money in anything else and get a little something. So if the Fed is going to stop raising rates, gold will do better. And the last one is specific to Barrick Gold, which is a gold miner, but gold, like many other elements, minerals, is not found in isolation. So when the company mines gold, they get copper as well. So that about 18% of their revenue comes from copper. Copper is something I really, really like going forward because of the whole transition to renewable energy requires much more copper. There's massively more copper in an electric vehicle than in a conventional vehicle. And they've got a number of big copper projects coming online in the next 5 to 10 years, which is a good point because, hey, copper mining companies haven't been keeping up with projected copper demand. So it looks like we're going to see a copper shortfall, so copper prices should be going higher. Okay, so for the year to date, through 310, the stock is down about 6.81%. And here's the chart. And you can see, here we go. This is a 6-month chart. And whammo. Starting on February 1st, when people started to say the Fed is going to be raising rates more, stock went down. Now we're starting to pick up. Morningstar calculates that it's about 24% undervalued at this point. One of the other reasons to like Barrick as opposed to other ways of holding gold is that it actually does pay a dividend. The forward dividend is about 3.23%, which is extraordinarily good for any gold asset, but not bad in terms of income in general. Plus, the company has been buying back stock, not hand over fist, but hand over something. So they just in February announced another $1 billion stock buyback. You can see the stock is starting to tick up here because of turmoil in the markets and gold being a safe asset. So I own it in my Jubak Picks portfolio, where I've had it since June of 2019. The return since that time is about 10%, 9.04% on the positive side, plus whatever dividends we've gotten. This is a very cyclical stock, so that 9.04% has had periods when it was way more positive, periods when it was way more negative. So at this point, what I'm saying to you is I think for the next 6 months to a year, gold is a good place to be and Barrick is a good way to own it. So thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to know when we're doing our next videos, we're doing about 3 a week. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free. I know, very, very expensive. Free. Did I say free? And also free, my free site, jubakpicks.com, which has the portfolio that includes Barrick as well as 2 others, so 3 portfolios, including a dividend portfolio. Or you can go to my subscription site, that's jubakam.com, which has 6 portfolios, including some options plays and commodities and things like that are, I think, pretty attuned to the current state of the market. So thanks very much for watching.